Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Today is a special episode because we're going to show you a brand new product release. Actually, some of you guys might know it for 4 years back, and ever since we have worked on improving everything about it. So if it sounds interesting, please keep watching. Before getting to the styling, I like to show you the product. This is a 12 grams container, and under the lid there is a small cap. This one has been used, so it's just falling off, but it's a concealer. There's a new dispensing system. Instead of blowing it into your hair, now you'll just sprinkle it gently by tapping the product, and it's important. Right now I'm going to show you how it works in just air-dried hair, and afterwards we're going to show you how to use it in combination with our Vilain SIDEKICK pre-styler. So you need to sprinkle it into the lower third of your hair. So you just find a section where you want to apply it. And now you just rub it. And it gets a lot of hold and volume, applying it with this method. And to finish off, I recommend taking the powder into your hands, just like this. Use it like a wax. It works. So this was the first way to apply it. Now I apply the sidekick because I'm going to blow dry my hair, and the easiest way to do it is just pumping 5-10 pumps. That will do it. And here I'm using my skeleton brush. It's good for control and adding volume. Now my hair is pre-styled, it's a little bit fluffy, and to get it into control I'm going to use the blow hair powder. So I'm using the two techniques. I'm sprinkling it down to the roots, and I'm going to apply it into the hands as well. But first I will find the sections where needed. Rub it in. It's super manageable. On my hands here. As you can see, now my hair is not that fluffy anymore. I get the control and I have a lot of volume and texture, just the way that I like it. It's a matte finish. The way it works in my hair is that when the blow hits the oil from the hair strands, it will activate and it will be sticky, so I get this nice voluminous effect. Even though I got a lot of fulliness and texture with this matte finish, I like to shape it a little bit with the Dynamite clay. It's because my sides can get a little bit poofy and I need just a small amount. Yeah. This, see the result.
I don't wanna waste a minute. Don't have any plans, swing it. If you got a glass, fill it. Cause I need it. Money is in it. I don't wanna think about it. So if you know the song, sing it. Cause I need it. Take me to a place where the music.
When I use the wax, my sides can get trimmed in a little bit. Just a few millimeters can make my face expression look more squared and masculine, which I like a lot for this hairstyle. And still, we got the volume on the top, so right now it's finished. Alright guys, we're done with the hairstyle. I used Sidekick to pre-style it. Then I blow dried it into position and applied the Vilain blow into the roots. And to finish off, I used the Dynamite clay on the sides just to get it a little bit more neat and tight around the ears. Hope you guys liked the episode. Write in the comment section what you think about it, and see you guys next time.